Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to deploy OceanBase Database with OBD. Of course, you can choose to use Docker to try out OBD. But if you want to deploy your own OceanBase cluster, we recommend you use OBD. First, you need to install uroot. And this is what I'm actually doing now. We can see we have the package already installed. Then, you need to add the third-party YAML software repository. And now, you can start installing obdeploy. Use this command. I have already installed it, so this is just an example. Now we can check the OBD version to make sure we have it installed correctly. Great. And before we can move to the next part to start OceanBase cluster, you need to make sure you have a YAML file. And now let's check my YAML file. First, you will have to change the IP to a real IP. And remember, don't use the host name. And attention on the dep name here. You will have to set the dep name as the network adapter's name. Next one is home path. Home path is where OceanBase is running on, so you have to create the directory and change it. When you have set, you can start your own cluster. But first, let's use OBD cluster deploy. We name the cluster zyj and we use the YAML file zyj.yaml. And now we can see our cluster is deployed. To double check, use OBD cluster display to check the cluster status. Now we start the cluster by using obd cluster start command. This may take a while because you will have to initialize the cluster and do the cluster bootstrap. And now the cluster is running. So we can connect to OceanBase. We can use obclient or masterhood client to connect to OceanBase. Here I use obclient. Use the IP address and the port number in your YAML file. Here we are. Voila! Now you're connected to OceanBase Database. And I think this is the video for today. Enjoy your OceanBase experience, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye!